just finished eating one of the best burgers in Canada. It is actually an inverted boat on top of this house. Wow, such a brilliant concept. That's a pretty interesting cat right there. Hi. Hi. Hi, langurs. Hello, good morning. Actually, good afternoon. It's 12:30 on a Saturday afternoon. And I think it's been after ages. Honestly, I'm telling you that I have my Saturday off because last few weeks I've been working all Saturdays and I had one weekday off to kind of compensate it. So it's after a while that I have 2 regular days off and I am like on cloud 9 today. And that's why I thought that okay, because of this lockdown, me and Jagraj, we have been pretty much locked inside our house and we are house arrested kind of thing. So now today, we both have planned to go to this small town which is called as Port Hope, which is approximately 120 kilometers from Toronto. It's like a hour 15 minutes drive as per our Google. It's around 12:30. We are going to pick Aman today, one of our friends. Yes, but I am super excited and here is Jagraj. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. We have almost reached Aman's place. We are, I think, only a minute away. He will be surprised because he has no idea that I'm vlogging today. We switched our places. Anam, Aman, say hi.
Hello.
दाढ़ी देख रहा तेरा दाढ़ी दिखा दे
नहीं इसलिए तो मैंने हुडी डाली है कोई देखे ना.
So we are around 116 kilometers away, which is an hour 10 minutes drive. We actually had to go on our way to Brampton for some work. So we'll be reaching there right at the lunchtime, which is 2:30 p.m. I found few places to see which are quite famous there. There is one burger place called as Olympus, which is very, very renowned. So hopefully might end up going there, but let's see what these two wanna have for lunch. I am actually in for it. We are only 17 minutes far, 25 kilometers. Yay! So we have finally reached here and we are very much on time, around 2:30. It's a very pretty small town. It's a very cute street, very European building style, very antique I would rather say. Let me show you guys around. So this is what the street looks like from here. And we parked our car right beside that black car there. And these are pretty much the buildings here. And everywhere I see is like Christmas decoration. It feels so great to be coming out after such a long time. Oh my god, I can't really describe the level of my happiness. Wow, that's such a pretty and different color Christmas tree. This town only has a population of 20,000 people, so it's a very small town. And honestly, compared to the places where we guys live, where there is like over 100,000 and 200,000, 500,000 people, this is another shop. I think it's a dessert shop. Yeah. Ooh, I am actually hungry now. So I think before we can actually roam here and there, we are gonna eat something because they are dying. They haven't had, Aman especially, he hasn't had his breakfast. Even Jagraj, he just had a glass of orange juice. So we are gonna go and explore. And I'm trying to look for that Olympus burger place. I can't find it. I need to Google that. Oh my goodness! We could only hear the bells. And I was thinking, I don't know if it's actually for a ride or they're just, or whether they would actually allow it during COVID or not. Can we take a ride? Oh, I see. This is so cute. So pretty. It's an antique shop called as Smith's Creek Antiques. I think after we have our lunch, once these two guys are done with their eating. Oh my god, look at that. That is beautiful. Look at the frozen part. It's all frozen because the weather is actually cold. It's -2 but it feels like more. And anyways, मुझे ठंड वैसे भी बहुत ज़्यादा लगती है. Ironically, I am a sunshine baby. I only and only love sun, and now I'm living in a country where you only see sun for, or you have summers only for like 3 or 4 months. It's such a pretty town, very cute place. Well, if you talk about, there are actually a lot of small towns adjacent to Toronto, like within a range of 100 kilometers. And this was one of it. There is another place called as Elora. We already went there. I think it was during COVID or probably pre-COVID. I don't even remember now. But that was also brilliant. It's a beautiful built small city, very nicely built, just like how this place is. But I honestly did not know much about this place. I tried reading about it on internet. I could not find a lot of things to do, and the things that you could possibly do are all obviously shut down due to COVID. Like, they have a lot of restrictions. But the best part is, at least the Raj was actually excited, just because he's like, you know, the best part is I can actually sit inside a restaurant and have food rather than just taking it out. Like, because we have always been, you know, it's always a takeout. So he's pretty excited about it. Look at those two. I'm busy vlogging and they are busy enjoying their personal date. My hands, I forgot to get my gloves and now my hands are freezing. Ooh. My fingers are not gonna work. Boat roofed house. Oh. So this little spot is actually an inverted boat on top of this house. Wow, such a brilliant concept. Wow. Let's see. Beautiful. This is gorgeous, actually. What are these two reading? "800 years before Columbus sailed to the New World, hunters and traders from Great Britain's northern isles are believed to have landed in northeastern Canada. Venturing far from their homes, the adventurers sailed double-ended open boats. This small-scale replica was inspired by archaeologist Thomas in North Quebec. It celebrates Canadian author and Fort Hope resident Farley, who told the story of this long-forgotten people." Beautiful. Such a colorful town. Purple, blue, grey, white. Very bright. Such a cute feeling. Finally, Olympus Burger is here. I just hope they have a really good menu. I did not even check the menu. The only thing I could Google was this was one of the most famous places to have food in this town. So I was like, okay, let's go and explore it. Olympus Burger, voted top 10 in Canada and over 264,000 burgers sold. So this place is freaking famous. 2013, 14, 15, 18, 17, 16. Consecutively they have won awards. Reader's Choice Award winner. I actually took a permission from them before I could record. And they have a huge variety. Mera hai Artemis marinated chicken breast burger. And they have a huge variety of different kind of burgers with beef, chicken, and I could only see one vegetarian burger, which is the last one, black bean patty, along with the sides and salads. It's a very cute little place, nicely decorated and looks beautiful. Olympus Burger, fresh gourmet burgers fit for a Greek god. And technically all the names of the burgers that they have here, Apollo, Ares, Hermes, is the name of all the Greek gods that I have there on the list of the burgers. So Pretty interesting place. I'm happy I made a decision to come here because these guys were, let's go to a cafe, let's go to a cafe. I said, can we actually explore a new place? Look at that. Brilliant. Boys, how does it feel to be sitting inside a restaurant? अच्छा लग रहा है? कैसा लग रहा है, मतलब क्या फील? अमन आपको?
यार आई थिंक काफी टाइम बाद अंदर बैठ के खाना खाएंगे, एक्साइटेड हूँ।
अच्छी बात है।
150 किलोमीटर आए हैं इसके लिए।
हाँ ये बात भी सही है।
देखो बस खाना अच्छा हो।
Cheers. Compostable, eco-friendly glass with our pop. These two actually ordered the food, so I don't even know. That's yam fries, sweet potato fries, and that's regular fries. Look at the fork. Even that's eco-friendly. Wooden forks.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That's the beef burger. Enjoy. That's my chicken burger. And that's the bean patty burger. Vegetarian for Shakahari people. Food looks amazing. Now let's see if it's actually worth getting all those awards, which I believe it should. I like Jagraj the most because the patty just looks like a oven baked bread. He's busy Instagramming. Wow. Oh, अच्छा, they have a bun here और ऊपर उन्होंने ये लगाई है, बहुत सही है यार. And this fries, I think it's this vinegar sauce or something. कैसा है burger?
Not heavy, बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत, मेरा भी बहुत amazing है.
So you like?
Best decision that I came here. Honestly, best decision. The burger was actually worth eating, and while eating, I actually noticed Port Hope's Olympus Burger has been named best burger in Canada. So I would honestly give it a 10 on 10. We just finished eating one of the best burgers in Canada, and I'm delightful. This little library
free
is sponsored by.
आप कोई भी एक बुक अपनी रखो
Oh wow, yeah.
और यहाँ से बुक निकालो और जब आप एक बुक निकाल रहे हो आप अपनी कोई एक बुक रख के जा रहे हो.
Free service, little free library. Oh, I did not know about it. Laugh Weirdo. Port Hope Public Library. Wow, pretty interesting. मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था इसके बारे में. Now talking about our next destination, it's Toe Beans Cat Cafe, which is a pretty interesting place because there are kitties and kittens who actually, like, there is a play area where if I think you spend $8 or $9, that's exactly what I asked the girl who was serving us here, that if it's actually like you can actually play with the kittens or not. They said yes you can, and you just have to spend couple dollars. Well, it's a cafe, so we are anyways going to be spending money there, so not a problem. But it's a place where you can actually play with the kittens, which is the best part. So it's a 12 minutes walk, approximately 950 meters. That kitten cafe is actually in this plaza, but we saw that beautiful Ontario lake that side, so we're gonna go there first and then come back. Oh my. The sound of water, the birds chirping in the air, music to my ears, music. Look at the waves. Unbeatable. Nature at its best. Hi. Hi, Sakchi, na? Jagraj is saying we should actually come in summers to this place and put shisha here. Enjoy the view. Where sea meets the sky. we are back to the plaza, and there I can see Toe Beans Cat Cafe. I hope it's worth a visit. We walked so much. Toe Beans Cat Cafe. Eat, drink, adopt, repeat. So this is the small cafe. It's actually just one room inside where you can go and play. You pay a $5 fee to get inside the room. These two actually stepped out. They're like, we are not that interested to play with the kittens, but I'm gonna go in. And we ordered coffees for ourselves. And those are all the crafts item, you know, different things that you can buy, all related to cats. These are all handcrafted soaps for $6, $7.50. And these are different articles. They have these lovely hair bands for $3.50. And essential oil spray for cats. Some bracelets, some bows, and pair of socks. It's a pretty little cute small business shop, and that's where I'm gonna be entering to play with the kittens. So once you enter the cat room, you basically have to read the cat room rules. I'm just being a little low on my voice. The lady actually who was here, she just told me that this one is really very naughty, and the brown one right there. These two are really naughty ones. I'm gonna go and quickly read the cat room rules. Remove your shoes, do not pick up the cats. If you see a sleeping cat or hiding, please leave them alone. Do not give cats any food. Lids on all beverages. Don't play rough with the cats. Use caution. If you're bitten or scratched, let us know. Children aged under the age of 12 must be accompanied. We have a zero tolerance policy on running, shouting, violent and destructive behavior. My goodness, look at that beautiful painting, all made with button. Hello. Little monster here. Hi. Hi. Oh, I like that one. Look how friendly she is. Never been to a place where you can actually play around with the animals like that. I think I'm gonna go and find out a place where you can actually play with the dogs, like similar kind of place that I can find out. That's a pretty interesting cat right there. Hi. Hello. She is extremely friendly. Hi, little monster. Hi. Hello. Hi. Who's the naughtiest of all?
Chloe and Callie are pretty on par.
Competitive? And who's the most quiet, obedient one?
I'm not sure if any.
I believe it's the little... if there is any. Oh.
Yeah, right.
True. I think I'm gonna head out now because they both might be waiting for me, and I pretty much enjoyed with all of them. So this is another handicraft shop and artifact shop which I just came in. Looks so beautiful. They have all these wooden stuff here, amazingly good candles, lip butter. I just bought this double mint lip butter here. I took her permission if I can actually vlog, and she said yeah, no problem. And I think these are all hand creams, hand soaps, all soaps. And if you see these wooden logs like candle holders, these are some trays with my favorite reptile, a lizard. Oh my god. The most interesting thing that I found here was this wine holder, when you can actually keep a plant, or you can actually display a, you know, a candle, or you can even treat it as a cheese board, which is pretty exciting. And these two right here, those two are gorgeous, insanely beautiful, very pretty, nicely built. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna go and head out. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh. Wow, such a great experience. It's called as Tall Birches, curated vintage and artisanal goods. Really nice. Came to this another beautiful little shop called as the Nooks, which has again these beautiful goods. Look at those. That's so gorgeous. Actually, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. And look at that. And the plant section. Oh wow, look at this. This is for $30. These all are for $30 actually. The little one is for $15 here. And look at that birdie here. I think that's a pop socket. That's amazing. You can actually put it on the back of your phone. Oh, this is for $29. Look at that masterpiece. I'm gonna buy this and this. Hi there. I'm just gonna buy these two, please. Finally, I'm heading out. Thank you. It's so dark and so beautiful right here. Our car is parked towards that side. We're gonna see if we have to go to any other place. Now we are going to this shop called as Nearly New. What an interesting name. A little bit of everything we buy, sell, trade and consign. Let's see what do they have. So it's basically like a thrift shop where they sell in second-hand goods at cheaper rate. So now we are heading back home. It's again an hour and a half drive from here to Toronto. And hopefully you all liked the vlog today and you all enjoyed watching it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel to support my channel. And yes, do take care of yourselves and happy holidays. Take care. Bye.